In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack, 5 minutes. Canvases in Slack are a flexible way to collect notes, plans, files, and links right where your team is already talking. Think of them as living documents that stay connected to your channels and direct messages, so context never gets lost. Start by signing into Slack on desktop or the web. Once you're in, open the channel or direct message where you want your canvas to live. Look at the conversation header and click the plus icon. This is the quickest way to attach a canvas directly to the discussion you're having. From the menu, choose Canvas. If a canvas already exists for this conversation, you can search for it. If not, create a new one and click Insert. Attaching it here keeps everything in one place, so decisions, notes, and files are easy to find later. You can also create a standalone canvas from your sidebar. At the bottom left, click the plus icon, select Canvas, and start building. This is great for documents that span multiple teams or don't belong to a single channel. Give it a clear name so people can find it quickly. When the canvas opens, pick a template to jumpstart your work. Project briefs, meeting notes, and retrospectives are popular options. Templates give you an instant structure you can customize. Rename sections, remove what you don't need, and add fields that match your workflow. Now add and organize your content. Use the toolbar to create headings, paragraphs, checklists, and tables. Paste links and they'll unfurl with helpful previews. Drag and drop images or files right into the canvas. Break up your document with section dividers and reorder blocks to keep the flow logical. A simple tip: begin with a short summary at the top, follow with decisions or action items, then details and references underneath. Canvases save automatically so you won't lose your work. When you're ready to loop others in, click the share icon. You can invite specific people with view or edit access, or copy the link and share it in a channel. If you attach the canvas to a conversation, it inherits that context. People in the channel will be able to find it easily. For sensitive work, share directly with individuals and double check their access before posting widely. That's it. You've logged in, created or attached a canvas, used a template, organized your content, and shared it with the right people. Try starting your next meeting or project with a canvas so everything your team needs stays organized and actionable.